Morning students, today we will start the water or the hydrosphere. Hydrosphere or the water, that is almost in the entire earth, that is the 70% part, that is the water, or we can say maximum part of the earth is water, so that it is called the blue planet. Now, which type of this water that is present in the earth, that we will study. Be careful, water is mainly these three types that is found. Which are they? Fresh water, groundwater and surface water. Fresh water means their salt density is very much less. Just like suppose those are found actually in the pond or ditches. Those are the fresh water. Next is groundwater, that is found under the soil. Suppose this is the soil layer. So groundwater that is found just under the soil, that is called the water table. You have studied in class 6 water table. The presence of the water layer under the soil, that is called the water table, and that is also called as the groundwater. Number 3 is the surface water. Surface water means the water which we can see from outside, just like pond, lake, river, this water, and the sea also. Sea, so that the pond, lake, sea, river, ocean, this water we can see from outside, so these are called as the surface water. Now the groundwater, if we classify, that is three types. Number 1 is the capillary water, hygroscopic water and combined water. Capillary water means that is which type? If you will see the soil, suppose this is one soil particle. If you will see the soil particle by microscope, there you will see small tiny pores are there. So by these tiny pores, the water that can move against the gravity. By the tiny pores, the water molecule that can move against the gravity means towards upright through these tiny pores of the soil. That water is called the capillary water. That water is used by the plants. Next is hygroscopic water. Hygroscopic water means that is which type? This water remains combined with this soil particle. Suppose this is one soil particle. This is the soil particle and the water is combined, water is attached surrounding these soil particles from around the surrounding site. This is called the hygroscopic water. That means the water which remains around the soil particle, that is the hygroscopy. And combined water means when the water when remains attached with the soil particle by chemical bond, that is called combined water. So these three types of the water that is present. Out of that, this capillary water is mainly used by the plants for making their food. These different types of the water mainly you have to study in the hydrosphere.